Hello, I'm doing a review for a set of 2 Dog Bowl 32 ounce stainless steel. They're actually for any kind of pet, dog or cat, and they can hold food or water. Again, it's 32 ounces. You get 2 of them. And then you also get a travel bowl, which is made of silicone. It is 7 inches. You clip it. It has a, I don't know what you call these clips, but it has one of these clips. And then you just push on it, and it's a perfect little travel bowl. It's made well. Again, it's made of silicone, so it holds up nice, cleans up easy. The bowls themselves are nice. There is a lining so it won't scuff up floors. This cleans up nice when you're having water in it and food in it, and you know, your animals. You really don't clean it too much, or I don't mind, but that side note, they are easy to clean. So all in all, pretty good deal. You get 2 bowls and the travel bowl, so it's a great little addition. And then they also have a 3-year warranty, and then the 30-day return policy. They're dishwasher safe. They are rust resistant, and I liked it, and that's pretty much my review. So feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks.